Hello, welcome to Guide Glimpse.
How to make an article in PDF. So here I'll be showing you how to make an article in PDF. To make article in PDF, let's say you find an article. Right now, I just type article because I don't know what article to find. Let's just say this one right here. No, nope. This one right here. And this one right here. I think this is an article. Yeah, this is an article. Now, all we need to do is copy the link. Then after copying the link, go to another browser, then type in website to PDF converter. Then click the first one, the green one, pay web page to PDF. After clicking on that, paste it right there. After pasting it, click on convert. Then wait for it to be converted. So as you can see, it's now converting. 70, 80, then 90, then 100. Accessing URL, scan all your documentary analysis. It's optimizing. Then there you go, guys. Then click on the oopsie. So the only part of this is a free converter, but you need to watch an ad for it. Just a 30 seconds ad. Now let's watch the ad. So after doing this, after watching the ad, click on the download icon right here next to the search right here to review. Then click there. As you can see right now, it is now downloaded. As you can see right now, it is now downloaded. You see right there the thing that I've downloaded. Then to start over, click on the start over. Once you click start over, back to its original, then add another link right there. There you go. And if the article is on Word, to say it's on Word, click on the file and click on save, or maybe save as, depends on you. If you already saved it, or if you want to have another file and not make the same file as the file that you are doing, and to not make it both a PDF and that the other file as still save on Word, just click on save as. But if you're like me, I want this exact file to be um, PDF. Just click on save. Then after doing that, click on this right here. Then after doing that, scroll down, you will see PDF. Then after doing that, click on save. As you can see, there's no save or anything right here because we haven't put a name. So we're just gonna name one. After doing that, can click on save. So there you go, guys. I hope you guys the video you guys enjoyed. If you have any questions, type it down in the comments below, and we'll be happy to answer you. And thank you.
If you like the video, please consider giving us a thumbs up and subscribing for more content like this. Thank you.